Monday and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now in today's video, I have some pretty big well-known companies that are hiring, so you know they're not a scam. Other than the first one we have hiring, we have big well-known companies like Crate and Barrel, GoFundMe, Penn Mutual is even hiring someone to kind of review document images, checking them for quality, and they are paying $19 to $21 an hour for that. You've got Progressive hiring, so we are going to dive all in. As always, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need to get to any of the pages that I'm sharing, read reviews on the companies, put those applications in, or navigate around the video. All that can be found in the YouTube description box below the video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Now, some of these jobs did kind of list the pay as yearly, and so what I did is I divided that yearly pay by 52 weeks in a year, and then divided that by 40 hours in a work week to get the hourly pay. But starting off, we have the company Steno hiring. Now, Steno is like a legal company. I think they do like remote video type legal depositions, so people don't have to travel and go into the courthouse or a lawyer's office to give their deposition on a case. Steno has 50 reviews from past and current employees. They have a pretty high overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a billing associate. Now, it does say over here on the side, this is remote for the United States. Everything that I'm sharing today is for the United States. But as a billing associate, you're going to handle those more complex billing processes and issues for their law firm. So how you're getting these billing issues is you're monitoring and responding to billing requests that come in through their Slack channels. So this is going to be mainly non-phone, I'm assuming, but you're managing those complex billing issues, escalating anything up where needed. You're just resolving billing discrepancies and identifying and correcting any inconsistencies or errors between the order request and the billing information. And of course, with that comes you're working internally with different teams to help correct and refine the billing workflows. So if you see a billing workflow that's causing errors in bills, you are going to make sure that you bring that up so that workflow can get corrected. So basically, you're just reviewing and processing invoices with precision, making sure they're error-free. Now, this only requires 2 years of experience in billing, financial operations, or data entry. So you don't have to have any billing experience if you have kind of like administrative data entry type experience. You do have to be a problem solver, kind of be able to work quickly in a fast-paced environment, managing things effectively. Pay for this position is anywhere from $24 an hour up to $27 an hour. No college degree is needed for this one. Now, next up, we have the retail store Crate and Barrel hiring. I'm not sure about you, but I love to go look at their stuff, but it's mostly out of my price range. They have 2,500 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. Crate and Barrel is looking for a supervisor for their customer service department or customer care team, again, remote for the United States. So it does state this is fully remote. It is a people leader position. So you are going to be leading and mentoring the customer service team. You are going to be providing that guidance and leadership for escalated complex customer service situations through their customer interaction channels like phone, chat, email. You're managing the daily support of those customer service associates. So you're also going to be kind of hiring and doing all of those things. So you're kind of leading those direct reports, making sure that they are hitting their service level goals. You're communicating with them, managing their critical metrics, and making sure that they know what's expected of them through their quality monitoring. So in their call metrics, you're kind of going to be listening to their phone calls, their recorded calls, and making sure that their quality is on point. Providing feedback for them, opportunities for improvement. Of course, you're going to be doing the day-to-day kind of management operations, I assume, of like managing their time cards, their time off, things like that. And you will also manage hiring new people onto the customer service team when needed. Now, of course, only high school diploma or GED is needed. This is a supervisor management position that does not require any kind of college degree, and it only requires 3 years of either customer service experience, retail experience, or some somebody in the hospitality industry. So if you've worked in like a retail store, they're also looking for somebody who has 1 year of prior people management experience and customer service, like team lead or kind of customer service experience. Pay for this one goes anywhere from $23 an hour up to $28.75 an hour. Next up, we have GoFundMe hiring, the fundraising kind of website company. They have 201 reviews, that overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a senior people operations generalist, again, remote for the United States. This basically means human resources. They are really looking for somebody to kind of be a part of their human resources, owning and enhancing those core global people operations, processes, policies, and programs to optimize efficiency of the employee experience. So you're managing things like total rewards, analytic teams. You're acting basically as that first point of contact for their global HR or human resources related inquiries, triaging and resolving any employee requests through their internal help desk system. So you are getting those help desk tickets coming in from employees and you're answering all their questions. They might have benefit questions. They might have training questions. You're managing the onboarding and offboarding processes of new hires as well. All that new hire paperwork coming in, you got to get them set up in the computer, make sure that they're set up correctly with their pay grades and all of that so that they get paid on time. And of course, new hires get to select their benefits. So you're going to have to process all that benefit paperwork. And then of course, the same with offboarding. When people leave the company, all that paperwork has to be done. So basic HR position. They are not requiring any kind of college degree, but they are looking for someone who has quite a bit of experience in human resources. You need 6 to 8 years of human resources experience, somebody who's kind of focused on people operations, compliance, or program management. Of course, you got to be tech savvy, be a strategic thinker, be able to manage projects, So you've got to have strong communication skills, the ability to kind of effectively engage with employees, managers, and any other stakeholders for the business. So great people skills, great attention to detail. Now, GoFundMe does pay pretty high for this position. Pay starts at $90,000 a year, which would be $43.26 an hour. And of course, it goes up to $135,000 a year, which would be $64.90 an hour. Now, please note, I do round these numbers when calculating. So if you take $64.90 an hour and you times it times 52 weeks and then 40 hours in a week, you're actually going to get $134,992. I round just for quick understanding in these videos. I never get like down to the penny precise. So, of course, we have Penn Mutual hiring. Penn Mutual has 283 reviews, an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a document management center associate. This does say it is remote for the United States. They're basically looking for somebody to receive, review and classify their incoming mail and faxes for various business areas within the company. So this means that you're basically looking at electronic documents and validating them in a quality manner in accordance to their policies, procedures, and service level agreements. You're going to be validating document images, so reviewing scanned images of documents that have come in for image quality and associated data. So you're basically reviewing and checking these documents, making sure, one, the document has been scanned into a quality manner. We know sometimes when mailroom scan documents in as a PDF, sometimes it's crinkled or, the scanning machine runs lines through it. You're just making sure that all the documents, one, have been scanned in a quality manner so they are completely legible and readable, and two, all the associated data on the scanned image is correct, error-free, all of that. You're just providing backup support when needed to the electronic mail distribution functions and placing orders for items to be retrieved from the document system from external vendors using the web-based system. So you're working with different things like email, fax, web, lockbox information that's coming in. You're just assisting in monitoring all the image system workflow errors. Only requires a high school diploma or GED. They always prefer a college degree. It's not required. And just 1 to 2 years of related work experience. They do prefer somebody who has prior experience with imaging or workflow systems. Other than that, just somebody who can learn and adapt quickly to different systems and processes. You can kind of be a problem solver, ask questions when needed. Somebody who has a strong working knowledge of like computers, computer systems. You can navigate and work on like Microsoft Word, Excel, Windows computers. You have great typing skills. Now, pay for this one is $40,000 a year, which is $19.23 an hour. And can go up to $45,000 a year, which would be $21.63 an hour. Now, next up, we have Progressive Insurance Company hiring. They probably need no introduction. They have 8,500 reviews and overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a call center representative, so this is just going to be a basic customer service position. You are supporting the customer inquiries that are coming in, probably most likely through the phone. With all of their insurance policy needs, you're going to be answering questions regarding like their coverage that they have, rates, billing issues, general policy reviews, offering them and upselling them additional products, just all the things. Does not require any college degree, just 2 years of related work experience. Now, they will take 2 years of some kind of college education over work experience. So if you have no work experience whatsoever, they'll kind of take like an associate's degree over that. But as long as you have at least 2 years of kind of customer service experience, no degree is needed. They are looking for training to start in May or June. This is going to be a full-time position, but please note schedules are going to kind of vary. You might have to work some weekends, some nights. And pay for this one is anywhere from $21 an hour up to $22 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.